Alright, we're at part 2, round 2. I am 6-0. Harriers deployed.
Carrier's being deployed as we speak. And here we go with you're gonna plant her and you're just gonna sit there, a little douche. There we go, there's our oh my god. There's her telling you it's on one kill for a chopper gunner.
Yes.
Which he probably will not get, which sucks, but he'll get it. I can see it, he's gonna get it. He's just gotta be smart on what he does. And if he does die, then he will get angry and scream.
Yes. That is true.
Which is 100% true. I would not recommend going up there. Or look down the other way. Look down the other way.
Which way?
So, right there. Oh, did you see him? No, no, right there! There. No. Oh, double kill. Oh my god, you missed. You're an idiot. There's a chopper down there. I won't stay there.
I don't really care once I get my chopper. Doesn't really matter.
You should hide. I would hide.
Why would I hide?
Are you gonna use it?
I'm gonna use it once I die.
Right there, right there, right there. See him? There's another kill. Chopper might come over there. Use the chop gunner now before he uses his. This one, this one. Trust me, use it now. John, use it. He's gonna get it. Right there, right there, right there. Use it, John. John, use it. John, use it. John, use it. John, use it. John, use it now. John, he's gonna get it. You idiot. He's gonna get it.
Which time do I go?
Okay, now we're using the chopper gunner.
Wow, air support too good. No, I'm gonna use it.
Use it now.
Guys, let him defuse it. Let him defuse it so I can use my chopper gunner.
I told you to use it. Oh, listen to me ever.
Wow, I never got to use my chopper gunner.
But I'm 14-1, and that's pretty good.
I'm up 14-1. Never got to use my chopper gunner. I'm pretty disappointed about that. 2 quick rounds.
He didn't listen.
We went 2-0. I'm gonna make a part 3. 3 part. Maybe I'll make a part 4 after part 3, but that's it.